So I've always dreamed of being a personal trainer and a physical instructor. But I want to be a physical instructor for kids because that is what we don't have a lot of. So here we go. Kids, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Jumping jacks, let's go kids, let's go kids. Jumping jacks, raise those knees, raise those knees, raise those knees. Keep it up, body pleasure, yes they do. Let's go, go, go. You can be a junior college, hey, 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 hey. Let's go kids, make your mama proud. You can go, let's just shout. Kids, let's go. Oh, throw that football, where you go? Whoa, don't break nothing, whoa. Throw a fit, Hey, I'm not done yet. Shake the dog,